To understand basic electrical principles, consider these relationships. Charge, Q, is the fundamental property of matter that experiences a force when placed in an electromagnetic field, measured in coulombs. Current, I, is the rate of flow of charge, essentially how many electrons pass a point per second, measured in amperes amps. Think of it as water flow in a pipe. Voltage, V, or potential difference, is the push or pressure that drives the current, measured in volts. It's the energy per unit charge. Resistance, R, is the opposition to current flow, measured in ohms. Omega. Materials like copper have low resistance, while rubber has high resistance. Power, P, is the rate at which energy is consumed or produced, measured in watts. It's the combination of voltage and current, indicating how much work is being done. These concepts are interconnected through Ohm's law and the power formula. Ohm's law states that voltage equals current times resistance, V equals I times R, meaning for a given resistance, more voltage leads to more current. Power is calculated as voltage times current, P equals V times I, showing that higher voltage or current results in more power.